We're talking about community mental health. Um, it's an interesting phrase. It's a phrase that's been around probably longer than the actual buildings that have been around, but I've grown more and more to believe that for a sense of community health, we have to have community mental health, and it's a part of doing business. I think that one of the things that we have neglected over the years is seeing that mental health is a part of a healthy community. It's part of what is essential for a community's vibrancy, as much as schools would be, as much as any business would be. And so therefore, it's something to be invested in, something that is of value to everybody. But ironically, if we do our job right, people don't notice that it's there because people can access it, and it's basically attending to the need as it's arising. So part of what I'm wanting to do is to really see that mental health is part of business, part of our communities, part of what we need to be paying attention to, not unlike some of the services like fire and rescue and police, but also whether or not we have adequate clothing stores and whether or not we have adequate department and grocery stores. It's part of what a full range, vibrant community needs to have. And so we have a responsibility as good citizens to make sure that we're participating that way, as well as making sure that behavioral health, mental health, and substance abuse is seen as an integral part of the community in all aspects. So we're going to be looking at participating with businesses. I'm going to be meeting with various people in the Chamber of Commerce, the Rotary Club, the other kinds of more traditional ways in which businesses are accessed, so that they can also begin to see that we are a business. We employ about 120 employees who are people in this community. We also are pay salaries. We have benefits that people are receiving, and so we are as much a business as others. Although nonprofit, we contribute to the financial vibrancy of the agency, the community as well. So I think it's important for us to embrace it that way rather than separating ourselves away.